Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of our podcast. Today, we're going to share an inspiring story about a young man named Alex who learned English in just 6 months. This story is full of challenges, determination, and success. Let's dive into Alex's journey. Alex was born in a small town in Brazil. He grew up speaking Portuguese and never had the chance to learn English at school. But as he got older, he realized that knowing English could open up many opportunities for him. He could travel, get a better job, and connect with people from all over the world. So he decided to learn English, but he had only 6 months to do it. The first challenge Alex faced was finding the right resources. He didn't have a lot of money to buy expensive books or take classes. So he went to the library and borrowed some English textbooks. He also found some free online courses that taught basic English. But learning a new language is never easy, especially when you're starting from scratch. Alex's biggest challenge was motivation. There were days when he felt like giving up. He would sit in front of his computer, staring at the screen, feeling overwhelmed. But then he remembered why he started. He wanted to be able to talk to people from different countries, read books in English, and maybe even travel to an English-speaking country one day. This thought kept him going. Every day, Alex set a goal for himself. He would study for at least 2 hours in the morning and another 2 hours in the evening. He made flashcards to learn new words and practice speaking by talking to himself in front of the mirror. He also joined an online language exchange group where he could practice speaking with native English speakers. It was scary at first, but he pushed through his fear. One day, Alex received an email from a friend who was studying in the United States. His friend wrote to him in English, and Alex could only understand a few words. He felt frustrated but also motivated. He decided to write back in English, even if it was just a few sentences. His friend was very encouraging and helped him correct his mistakes. This small act of communication gave Alex a huge boost of confidence. As the months went by, Alex started to see progress. He could understand more words and his speaking improved. He even started watching English movies and TV shows without subtitles. He realized that learning English was not just about memorizing words. It was about understanding the culture and the people who spoke it. In the final month, Alex took a big step. He signed up for an English proficiency test. He knew it would be difficult, but he was determined to pass. He studied harder than ever, and when the day of the test came, he felt nervous but ready. A few weeks later, he got his results. He had passed. He had achieved his goal of learning English in just 6 months. Alex's journey was not easy, but his determination and motivation helped him succeed. He learned that with hard work and a clear goal, anything is possible. He also learned that it's okay to make mistakes and that every small step counts. Alex's story is a reminder that we can achieve great things if we believe in ourselves and never give up. Well, that's the story of Alex and his journey to learn English. Thanks for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. We'll be back next time with another inspiring story. Have a great day.